Welcome to Crochetsmash. Today we make a granny square. It has a 3D shaped flower in the middle. So let us begin. Let us start making a magic ring, just like that. Make chain 2 and this is considered as the first half double crochet. Let us make 11 more half double crochet on the magic ring. So we have first chain 2, I considered as a half double crochet. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 half double crochet, 12 half double crochet. Let us put a slip stitch and join. Now we are going to tighten this magic ring. Yeah, I'm going to cut the yarn and lock it in place. The center is in yellow and I want to make the flower in red. We are going to make the petals in red. So take your yarn, leave a little bit longer yarn tail. Now we are going to make the petals using a double crochet. So we are going to make a 5 double crochet. One, first chain 3 is considered as a 1 double crochet. So 1 2 3 4 5. Then we make a single crochet in the next stitch. Then again repeat like a 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. And here we put another single crochet. Repeat this one. We will have 6 petals in total, separated by 6 single crochet. Meet you after making it. Now we finished making 2 3 4 5 6 petals and 6 single crochets. Now join to the top of the third chain with a slip stitch, so that round is finished. Now you can cut the yarn. Nice flower, right? So the next one we are using the same color yarn, but we are going to do a back post single crochet. So we are going to do a slip stitch, then insert the hook from back to front and front to back. Get the yarn, slip stitch on your hook, come to the back, fold your petals and make a single crochet. Then we make chain 3. 1 2 3. Go to the next single crochet. Again do the same as before. Insert the hook from back to the front, then front to the back on the other side. Get the yarn, bring the yarn over to the back, make a single crochet. So chain 3. Now you go again, fold the petals. See, this is the single crochet here. So we go from the back to the top, then to the back again. Get your yarn on the hook and bring it again back, and then make a single crochet. 1 2 3 chain, do all the way, so you will end up with the 6 loops. Okay, we will meet again after making the 6 loops. Let us use some teal blue for the next layer of petals. So we are going to make a slip stitch, then chain 1 as a first, or you can right away going to make a single crochet, then 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and a treble. Treble is yarn over 2 times, then 1 2 3, then again 1 double crochet and another double crochet and a single crochet. One petal is made. So the next petal is also 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 treble, and 2 double crochet, then 1 single crochet. I cut all the yarn tails and just the loops are here. So make 6 petals just as I mentioned. See you after making 6 petals. Now our flower is complete. I did a slip stitch the first single crochet and finish the outline, cut the yarn, and now I'm going to attach a new color. I'm going to make some loops in the back. That is the base for my granny square. So I don't want this white to be shown in here. So what we can do is we find our single crochet, one of the single crochets, and go behind that one right here. Take that adjacent 2 loops in the back, not in the front, we are in the back. Okay, like that. Then we are attaching the yarn. Just pull your yarn, just pull your yarn like that, single crochet, then chain 2, and our middle stitch is a treble. So find that one. It's 1 2 3, right? So this one, and behind that treble take that back loops only. You're not getting anything in the front. In the back, bring your yarn and make a single crochet, then chain 2, go to one of those single crochets, adjacent single crochets. There is, take one, any single crochet. I'll show you, because we ended with a single crochet and started with a single crochet, so either one. I like to use the beginning single crochet here. One, two. Go to the treble, the back of the treble. You can see it here, and like that. Now I was doing single crochet, being consistent single crochet. One, two, one single crochet in the back loop of the next beginning single crochet. Okay, when you finished, you will have 12 2 chain loops. Okay, finish that round and we will meet again. Now we finished all of our chain 2 loops, and we are going to make a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Now you can cut the yarn, or you can continue in the same way. So we slip stitch into the chain 2 loops and make 3 DC, and then 1, 2, 3. First chain 3 is considered as the first DC. Then one more DC cluster, 1, 2, 3 in the next chain 2 space. Now we go to the next one. There is a little different. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. So we make a square underneath. 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets, 3 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the next one. And we are making a square. Friends, we are doing the granny square. So we are almost finished the square base. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and chain 2. See what I made. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We'll make another round. 1, 2, 3. First double crochet, then 1 and 2 more double crochet here. Then in the corner we make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and finish the round, and we'll meet again. Now I finished that one. So it is looking pretty. Happy with it. So I can cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Think of a blanket or a scarf in this colors. Should be super cute. Love it. Are you going to make something out of this pattern? I will add a written pattern in my blog, crochetsmash.com/blog. I will give the link in the description. Also, if you like it, please follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. And I have a shop on Etsy. If you like, you can have a look on it. Happy news is I got a sale last week. The bad news is Canada Post is on strike, so I don't know if my shipping is going to be in time. So keeping fingers crossed. See you next time with the next pattern. Till then,